Hello everyone. Today I am discussing about paper number 502, unit number 5, membrane biology, introduction to the structural membrane. The cell membrane is also known as the plasma membrane, and it is the double-layered structure of lipids and proteins that surrounds a cell and separates the cytoplasm from the surrounding environment. The bilayer sheet-like structures closed boundaries of cells and organelles, and the size of it is 6 to 10 nanometer. It is also known as selectively permeable membrane, which means only certain molecules can enter and exit. Each lipid molecule contains the hydrophilic region, also called as the polar head, and hydrophobic region, which is known as the nonpolar tail. A most abundant class of the lipid molecule found in the cell membrane is phospholipid. The principal components of the plasma membrane are lipids, that is phospholipids and cholesterol, proteins and carbohydrate groups that are attached to the sum of the lipids and proteins. Carbohydrates groups are present only on the outer surface of plasma membrane, and they are attached to the proteins, forming the glycoproteins, lipids and glycolipids. And these are the main backbone of the plasma membrane. Carbohydrates always attached to the surface of the lipid bilayer. Protein channels are always present in between the nonpolar part, tail part, and the lipid bilayer is the structural component of the membrane. All of the lipid molecules present in the cell membrane are known as the amphipathic or amphiphilic, that is hydrophilic, that is water loving part or polar part, or hydrophobic, which is water hating, water fearing, or the non-polar end. Membrane have both polar as well as the non-polar moieties or non-polar interactions. The organization automatically forms the closed bilayer across the membrane. This is the non-polar and polar part which is present in the membrane. One of the tail is a straight, depends on the saturation, and the other as a kink or the bent tail due to the unsaturation bonding. The presence of the cis double bond prevents the tight packing and makes the bilayer and it is difficult to freeze. Means the lipid bilayers gives the membrane its fluid characteristics. At low temperature, the bilayer is in the gel state and tightly packed, but at the higher temperature it melts. The membrane proteins are the common proteins that are the part of it and interact with this biological activities. Membrane receptor proteins relay the signals between the cell internal and external environment. Transport proteins move the molecules and ions across the membrane, and membrane enzymes have the specific activities such as oxidoreductase, transferase, and hydrolase. This is the figure of the structural part of carbohydrate, protein and lipid present in the lipid bilayer. The protein, lipid and carbohydrates plays a very crucial role in the structural and functional part of the biological membrane. Additionally, they are having the different enzymatic activity in the outer and internal part of the membrane. The cell membrane are the phospholipids which are distributed asymmetrically into the lipid bilayer, and it is also present as a backbone, that is the CHO groups are present in the outside which is surrounding the specific activities. The membrane's fluids are always controlled by the temperature. At the lower temperature, the membrane structure is tightly packed, and at the higher temperature, it melts. And whenever the melting condition arises, it allows the movement of the components into the membrane. This is the figure of both gel phase and means tight phase and the melting phase. When the movement is you can easily visualized. Cholesterol is a very important component of the plasma membrane due to its chemical composition, the long rigid hydrophobic chain and the small polar hydroxyl group. It fits its structure into the lipid bilayer where the sterol ring is connected with the close proximity and attracted to the hydroxyl neighboring chain. This gives the considering effect and the packaging lipids to the cell membrane and creating the cholesterol enriched region called as the membrane raft. Carbohydrates in the plasma membrane is the most of the membrane carbohydrate linked to the proteins known as the glycoproteins, and it also serves as the cell-to-cell recognition of the molecules and membrane receptor. This protein makes the pumps and receptor also, and which always regulated the integral and peripheral membrane proteins.